Simon, the flight is Jack, looking after Captain Daniel and his crew. Flight time to Birmingham first of all is about 2 hours and 35 minutes or so. The weather in Birmingham at the moment, not too bad. Winds out southwest, temperatures 8 degrees Celsius. Forecast is for the wind to pick up. There's going to be a bit gusty and some showers later on. Walking back to the cruise, late night on the time and good latest weather. In the meantime, sit back, relax and enjoy the flight. But just pay attention to the safety briefings coming by. We would appreciate it. Thanks.
Ladies and gentlemen, the main doors are closed. All electronic devices are switched to airplane or flight mode. Any device of airplane or flight mode is now be switched off for major soft load duration of this flight. You may portable charges on this flight, such as catch-up and cabin bags multiple times. Thank you.
May we have your complete attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. These features may differ from aircraft that you have flown on before. Please remove headphones for this demonstration. All emergency exits are indicated by a red exit sign, and the floor path markings will guide you to the nearest exit in an emergency. The exits are located on both sides of the aircraft, at the front, in the middle, and at the rear of the cabin. All exits are also shown on the safety card. The nearest exit may be behind you. In case of an emergency evacuation, you must leave all your hand baggage behind. To fasten a seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle and secure by pulling the loose end. To open a seatbelt, lift the buckle cover. In case of a loss of cabin pressure, masks like this will drop automatically from the panels above your heads. Remain seated and pull down firmly on the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, secure with the strap, and breathe normally. Don't worry if the bag does not inflate. Oxygen is flowing. Fit your own mask first before helping anyone else. The life jackets are stowed in a pocket beneath your seat or in the panel above your head. If it's needed,
please attach your own mask before attending to anybody else's. Thank you and enjoy your flight.
general, please continue to observe the fasten seatbelt signs of the captain has switched off for you. But for your own company safety, recommend to keep the seatbelt loosely fastened for the whole duration of this flight. There are 3 toilets situated on board, 1 at the front and 2 at the back of the cabin, with the baby change facilities at the back of the cabin. Each toilet is fitted with smoke detectors, and the use of electronic cigarettes, consumption of your own alcohol, smoking of any kind is strictly not permitted. Shortly the crew will pass around the cabin with a drinks and snack service, followed by a Ryanair scratch card game, and followed duty-free services. First mind on passengers that is a strictly cashless flight, so we only accept card payments. But for now, we invite you to back, relax, and enjoy the flight with us. Northwest 12. Bicycle passengers, please remain seated with seatbelts securely fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop. And the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign for you. Please exercise extreme caution when opening the overhead lockers, as signs like carrying aircraft dislodged, falling out causing injury. For those of you who smoke, please refrain from doing so. Either it's a designated smoking area well outside the terminal building. For new streets, low fares, accommodation and car hire, please visit our website, Ryanair.com. On behalf of your captain, first officer, but especially onboard crew, thanks for taking some time with us. And hope to see you again on another Ryanair service today in the future. From all of us aboard, have a safe onward journey.